Hey friends, it's been a little while. Wanted to check in, say hi. Hope everybody's having a good Tuesday. I've been meaning to do this video for a while. It's kind of hot in here. I've been meaning to do this video for a while, and I'm just going to do it because I've had all the products sitting out on my table and I just need to do it. So what I wanted to show you are several ways in which I'm making my Young Living products last far longer than they used to, and that's because if you've ordered anything, you know that everything is heavily concentrated. So like the conditioner's really thick, and the dish soap is very concentrated. What's so cool about it is that you can easily dilute and stretch like the dish soap 3 times as long. Sometimes even 4, depending on what you like. And we saw a video on this, a girl who stretches it, and then the application of that for so many of the other Young Living products are crazy. So I got together everything that I have, and I looked through the catalog, and everything that can be diluted I have here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And then all of a sudden, $14 dish soap doesn't seem so crazy because you're getting 3 to 4 bottles out of it. So it's just like the Thieves Household cleaner that lasts forever. Okay, so let's talk about the dish soap since I have it here. Basically, what you do with the dish soap is that you're going to take, you're going to dump 2/3 out of this. And what I do is I get these mason jars. You can go to the Goodwill and get these too. And I really like these tops because they don't have 2 pieces to them. So I like the plastic ones in Amazon. I get everything from Amazon, even though I really like the idea of shopping local. I just don't want to drive anywhere. So you can get like a 12-pack of these and then go to the Goodwill and get mason jars or whatever glass container that you have. But you're going to put 2/3 in here and save it for later. Okay, and then I just label it. So this is actually the laundry soap and I have it, but I just label it so then I have this. Okay, and then you're just gonna put that away. And then, so you have 1/3 left, okay? I've even tried it 1/4 and it's fine, but you're just gonna have to play around with it. So you have, so let's say 1/3, and then you're gonna put in here 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, so I have my baking soda and you're just gonna put 1 teaspoon in here. And then you're going to fill this up, the rest, with hot water. That is the key. When you're diluting, you want to use hot water because it just helps to mix everything and just helps with just getting everything to an even consistency. And then you're just gonna, do this actually a lot to really help it combine. And then I'm telling you, the bubbles that come out of this just with that teaspoon of baking soda is amazing. It totally works. And so now you have 3 to 4 bottles of this, and it's not so crazy. It's plant-based. It has thieves in it. Like, you can't get anything like that on the market these days. So that is the dish soap. Do that. It's phenomenal. You can do the same thing with the shampoo. So with Young Living shampoo, you're going to have to play around with it. Everybody has an opinion. I have found for me, I have thin hair. So for me, the Copaiba vanilla is phenomenal. And I use this on my daughter too, and it totally works. But some people love the lavender. Some people, I think there's lavender mint and there's lavender. Anyway, you're going to have to play around with it and find out what you a phone call. For the shampoo, now you're not going to do this with the conditioner, put the baking soda, but you can do the same thing. Get 1/3 of it, put the rest in another container, put a teaspoon of baking soda and fill it up with hot water. And then you're going to get more of that lather if you like it, if that's what you want. Don't add the baking soda if you don't really want the lather. Another trick, Copaiba vanilla, add a few drops of lime to this, and then you have stress away. Stress away. So stress away shampoo and conditioner. Do it anyway, especially if you got the free lime this month. Okay. So and then with the conditioner, you would just I'd probably do half. I really like the thickness of this plain, But if you wanted to dilute it, you don't need the baking soda, but always make sure you do the hot water. Okay, so the next is laundry soap. Okay, so the laundry soap, I don't remember what the price is, but it's not cheap. And you get 64 loads for an HE, depending on what you put in your, depending on your washing machine. So it says approximately 64 loads. So what you can do with this, the same thing. You can, I think this you do half. So where's the laundry? Yeah, so this is half. So it's not the same. You're not going to do a third, or you're not going to dump out 2/3. You're going to do a half for the laundry soap. And so again, put it in a glass container, store that away, and then you're going to add, remember that hot water, but add a capful of Thieves Household Cleaner to that. And then what I did, because I do have an HE washer, is you only need this much. I don't know why I did that. This much. That's, do you see this? That's like, that almost looks like a quarter of that. So you are not using that much. And I am so happy with my clothes. I really am. And I think one of the secrets is boosting it with the Thieves Household Cleaner. So put a cap or two in here, fill the rest up with hot water, and then you have 128 loads, and you're hardly using any. So if you do a load a day, 3, 6, 9, 12, that's 4 months with this. So do the math. That is really an affordable option. The next is the hand soap. You guys, so easy to dilute. Totally happy with, I think this is this diluted? I wanted to show you the foam, but you can easily cut this in thirds. Again, get a container, put it in here, and then you can easily get 3 for the price of 1. Another thing, Amber, I don't think you need that much, but I don't know what regular older washers, how much it requires. I just know for high energy, you use far less. So you'll have to play around with it maybe, and see, I keep saying that, don't I? And just see how your clothes turn out. That's probably what I would do. I would probably start with half and see how that is. Like half of, like maybe half. Okay. So you can get a big bottle of this. I have this somewhere, but so once you run out, then you could just add a third and then fill it up with hot water. So save these containers. These are really great. Okay, so definitely dilute your hand soap. We all know, okay, so while we're talking about shampoo, like this is the kids scent, so totally dilute this. The bath gel, the kids shampoo conditioner, all that, dilute it. You don't need all that, you know, the super concentrated, make it last. I don't really need to say it, but the Thieves Household Cleaner, that's what we do anyway. We take a cap full and we put it in a 14 to 16 ounce spray bottle. Okay, so this is probably where it all began. But did you know that you can get this, which is the Thieves Household Cleaner, has 64 ounces in it. So this one is 14 ounces. So this is cheaper. So when you run out of this, buy this instead. You're going to save money. And then you can just, you know, put your cap full, and this is going to last you like 10 years. I don't know, a long time. Okay, have you heard of the Orange Blossom Face Wash? This is amazing. Do I think you absolutely need it? That is totally depends on your skin. I have been really happy with my Norwex body cloth, and then my face oils, frankincense, myrrh, patchouli, geranium, lavender. But that time of the month, stress, less sleep, I bust out the Orange Blossom. I put it in a, like you could use an old, like one of these and just take off the label. I would love to find a really good glass pump, but whatever. I'll get one. And but I put a teaspoon of this in here and fill it up to like maybe 3/4, and I'm not going to do it, but I'm totally happy with it. I bought this last year and it's not even half full. This will last you forever. I don't know anybody who doesn't dilute it. So definitely if you get the orange blossom, dilute it in a pump and it will last you forever. Mouthwash, super concentrated. We just had half of this, and my kids, I make them use it, but they're like, oh, it's like that Listerine. It's not Listerine, but it's really spicy, concentrated. I absolutely love it. It has colloidal silver. It's phenomenal, but you can totally dilute this. In fact, I would say you need to, especially if you're using it with kids. It's so much better, but it still feels like it has that strength and that punch. So at least half, I would dilute. And the last thing is the Bon Voyage kit. Dilute everything in there and make your kit last 3 times as long. So then you'll have your kit all summer because you've diluted the shampoo and the conditioner that comes in it and the bath and shower gel that comes with it and the mouthwash that comes with it. So you can totally dilute everything in the Bon Voyage kit, and then you just have your like travel kit to go, and it's gonna last you and you don't need to buy another one. So just in summary, basically anything that has a liquid, I wouldn't dilute the body lotion. So, but anything that's like in a liquid, including the conditioner and the shampoo, I would dilute. Make your products last longer. Tell everybody else to do that. And all of a sudden you will be amazed at, you get these products, you're diluting them, they're lasting longer, but you're also getting points and free products when you buy it on Essential Rewards. So it's just kind of a no-brainer. Let me know if you have any questions, if anything wasn't clear, and pop in here. Let's tag people. Let's get the word out that these products allow you to stretch your dollar big time. Okay, talk to you guys later.